Hello and welcome to C program analysis and re-engineering work done in C sharp. So the basic objective of this work is to first scan a C program, remove the comments and blank spaces, then detect each component of this program, say include statements, then variables, then control structure and loops, then functions, and it should be able to replace the go-to statement wherever is present in the C program, as it is considered as non-conducive for good programming. So it should replace that. It should be able to find out the function calls. It should be able to find out the assignments, and the most importantly, it should find out the control flow, the table and control flow data. So I'm going to scan a C program first. I'm going to scan a C program first. So this is my simple C program. As you can see, I have several programs, though we can load several programs. So this isn't happening. So we have different structure. Now what it does basically is, when you load the program, it assigns line number to the program starting from include statements. It doesn't have any comments, so it doesn't detect any comment stripping. Now we'll be removing the black segments. There is no black segments. We'll say include statement. You see, it will be able to detect the include statements. Then if we say variables, it detects variables and the line number. So in line number 6, you can find integer, the variable name is number. Also you can find pt, it's integer type, quants, etc. Float is appeared in line number 7, and two variables are price and value. Two variables are price and value, which appears in line number 7. Now we have a function called detect function. So if we do, it detects this program has got only one function. It detects only one function. At the same time, it also detects the arrays. The array is present in line number 8. You can see this is a character array. Data type is character, name is ename, and then file name, and array length is 10. So it extracts the array length also properly. Now we do have something called assignment. So if I click, it gives us all the expressions that are there in the program wherever assignment is there. And now we'll call detect loops. So soon as we detect loop, it shows where the loops are. So for loop starts from line number 14, insert line number 18. It starts from line number 14, insert line number 18. And there is one more for loop which starts at line number 23, which starts at line number 23 and insert way below at line number 32. So it detects it correctly. Now if we sort the loops in whichever order they have appeared, they'll come. If I draw the control flow diagram, now what exactly is control flow diagram is? This is a wonderful case of automatic program analysis. It tells where the control is going for the program. You see, up to this part the program executes, then it has got a loop structure. So it starts from this, execute up to this, and then if the loop condition is not satisfied, again it goes and continues this. Then once this is completed, this many statements are executed one after the other. Again it enters into the loop, performs till the nice another advantage of such kind of analysis of legacy codes, and why we should be really doing this, because there are so many computers which still runs old programs, and we require method of sophisticated software engineering to recover their logic, their architecture, and this module plays a significant role in helping you doing so. Now say this has got one more very great advantage. Now if I say replace, this basically converts this program into a C# program. So this converts the program into a C# program, and if there could be little problem here, it has missed one bracket. Now however, you can see that it includes all the include statement that are required. However, you can see that there are two methods, even printf and scanf. So what it does is it basically implements printf technique, and then it basically implements the scanf technique, and this is how basically it converts the program into high level program. You can then what you could do is you could really start your Visual Studio command prompt and CSC say converted dot CS. So your C program gets converted into C program gets converted into CS, and if any smaller error, you can easily change it, because this was really not I was not declared. So in say I comma n equal to 0, the C program itself has had problems. So yes, and so once you compile this, you have got the exe file ready of this converted, and once you say so, it prints even small number. Why does it print even? Because n is really an even number, and if I is less than 2, it's a small number. So instead of n equal to 0, I'm going to 3, recompile it, and going to execute. As you can see that it prints odd. So this is another characteristic of this work, which can convert any legacy C program into sophisticated C# language. Automatically it can map all the functions. I'm going to show you one more application of this one. We'll scan a program, just change the color a bit. Uploaded one program. What I want to do is I want to really remove this go to statement. You can see this is a go to statement which is leading to top. So it should actually be replaced. This much portion should be replaced by a while loop. While a is greater than 10, it should be continuing. So this is how it should work. So they should really be converted with a while loop. So this program is so intelligent that if you say replace go to, it detects which line number go to is present. It's in line number 10 to be changed with label. It should be removed with label, with condition if a is less than 10. If a is less than 10, so if the label actually appears on top of it, it will remove this using while loop. So while a is less than 10, a is equal to a plus 1, b printed. So you can see that the original program gets changed. So this is how intelligently this program can replace goto. And we have one more situation over here where the label appears at the I'll scan one more program. Here, interestingly, the label appears below it. So, if it is, if a modulus 2 is 0, go to next. So, this go to statement has to be replaced in such a way. This cannot be replaced by a while loop. You see, it is not continuing. If this is so, this is going to bypass all this statement. So, it is going to use if else statement. How? I'm going to use replace go to. So go to in line number 5 to be moved to label next with condition a modulus 2 equal to 0. So see, if it is not equal to 0, it prints this, otherwise it gets anyhow come over here. So this is how intelligently this whole system can not only analyze your legacy C code, this can recognize various aspects of the code. It can convert the code into modern C# program, so conversion is easy. It can eliminate the junk portion of the code. It can implement re-logic. So this is how software re-engineering process can be used for extracting. This also comes with an option of comprehensive variable analysis. Say, let me select a specific program. So let me select this. We can opt for detection of the variables. So it detects all the variables, all the arrays. Then we can detect the assignments, which one has been assigned over here. So we already know which is not been assigned. And if we call for comprehensive variable analysis, this is a wonderful table that you get, which is so helpful for testing. There is no automated testing available for C code, but over here you can see that at line number 6 an integer variable by name number has appeared. It is not been assigned, it's not been initialized, and it's never been used, and it is dead just after defining. PT, whereas is not is assigned at line number 29. As you can see, its value has been used, but it's not assigned. So it is used without assigned. It shows that assigned, but it is not assigned but used. Then there is a variable by name quant which is never used, so it is defined dead. There is a variable called BS where BS's value has been assigned to a variable in 3 different lines, 27, 26 and 28, and it was not assigned, so unassigned use. So it gives you all the variables and whether they have been assigned or not, whether they have been unassigned, whether they have been defined dead. So this table can be used for analysis of testing purpose. So your program this module can provide you a complete software engineering base for analyzing the C program. Hope you enjoyed the work. Thanks for watching.